We're in West Hollywood, and we have a kitchen sink drain that is backing up. The washing machine is over here, and it comes right through here. It ties in a little bit up there. That's the clean out, and it shoots straight towards the street. So you can see a little bit of standing water in there. The water going down. So check this out. The water's gone down. I'm on the clog right now. But watch how when I put the cable back in, it hesitates a little bit. Stops spinning. See it right there? It's catching on something. Pull it back out. Watch it just kind of stop. Boom, right there. See? Okay, I think we got it now. So let's flip that on. There are roots. Ooh, that's a good one. Look at that. Holy cow. Look at all those. Dang. There you go. Greasy roots. Had to use a box cutter to get those off of there. I stuck the 3/8 gorlets down 4 times, pulled out roots each time. 55 Magnum cable is a 1/2 inch cable, which will definitely move through the 2-inch here. No problem. So I want to make sure this is clear because I was pulling out a ton of roots on every pass. So let's give this bad boy. All right, pulled out just a little bit, so I'd be comfortable to say that that line is clear of roots and anything else.